Problem 1 is about finding the area of a composite figure. To find the area of a composite figure, we need to break the composite shape into smaller shapes. Next, we will find the lengths of the sides of each shape and then plug the dimensions into their area formulas. Once we find the area of each shape, we will add them to find the total area. When we add the area of the three shapes, we get that the total area is 594 square units. Problem number 2 is about finding the perimeter of a trapezoid. To find the area of a figure, we will have to find the length of each side and add them up. In this problem, the top length is 45 units, the left side is 30 units, and the bottom side is 24 units. To find the diagonal side, we will apply the distance formula, which is an application of the Pythagorean theorem. Once the length of all four sides have been found, the last step will be to add all four sides, which will equal to 135.62. In problem number 3, the question asks to determine the effect on the perimeter of a rectangle if the length of each side is increased by 3 units. To solve this problem, it may be best to draw the rectangle out and find the perimeter of both rectangles. In this case, the original rectangle is 14 and the new rectangle is 26, so the change is that the new perimeter is 12 plus the original perimeter. For problem number 4, we are asked what will happen to the area if the dimensions of each side are tripled. Once again, draw out the new rectangle, find the area of both rectangles. The original rectangle has an area of 6 while the new rectangle has an area of 54, so the new rectangle has an area that is 9 times larger. In problems 5 and 6, we are asked to find the area of a regular hexagon. To find the area of a regular polygon, we will need to multiply the area of the triangles within the polygon. First, we will draw out a triangle, then find the area of the triangle, then multiply by the number of triangles. Recall that the number of triangles will be equal to the number of sides in the polygon. In this case, we will multiply by 6. When we multiply the area of the triangle by the number of sides, we get an area of 246. In problems 7 and 8, we are asked to find the midpoint of 2 points. To find the midpoint, we will use the midpoint formula. When using the midpoint formula, you will substitute the given coordinates into the formula, and solve the expression, and write as an ordered pair. For problems 9 and 10, the questions ask to find the distance between 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points, we will need to use the distance formula or Pythagorean theorem. Once we set up the formula, we will substitute the given coordinates, simplify, put into a calculator, and round to the tenths place.